Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y and change in Y. We will also check out the max and PCR ratio for Bank Nifty and Nifty, and also we will check on the trend cycle of both the indices. First, we will start with Bank Nifty and check out the closing price. Here is the closing price around 22,628.00 on July 7th 2020, and we are talking about 9th July expiry. Now first of all, we will find out the trading range for the Bank Nifty, the range between highest call and highest put. Highest call will act as the highest resistance, whereas the highest put will act as the highest support for the Bank Nifty. For finding highest call, will go through this column, and here we can see around 8,07,000 contracts are open at 23,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest resistance for it, followed by here 5,78,000 contracts are open at 23,500. So this is going to be the second highest resistance for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty try to go up. And if we talk about the immediate resistance, then this can be the immediate resistance. See, Bank Nifty is above this, but here huge call writer are available. This indicates Bank Nifty might open gap down. So this can act as a resistance for Bank Nifty, and these, if you check the change in Y, then here we can see around 50 lakh contracts are open at 22,700. There is not much change in Y in addition. However, if you see this huge unwinding over here, and also here a huge unwinding, so this is all important level on Bank Nifty. Now we'll go through this column and find where is the highest support. See, here is we can see 9,47,000 contracts are open in put side at a strike price here 22,000. So this is going to be the highest support for Bank Nifty, followed by here we can see 6,26,000 contracts are open at 21,500. So this is going to be the second highest resistance. And also see this one, this is going to be the immediate support for Bank Nifty. 22,500 it is going to be the immediate support for Bank Nifty. And if we talk about change in Y, then here we can see at 22,000 strike. On this strike we can see 4,18,000 contracts are added, and also here around 1.5 lakh and around 1.5 lakh contracts over here. So these are the important level on Bank Nifty. And if you see the change in Y, this indicates the huge put writers are over here in compared to call writers. So this is an indication of bullish sign of Bank Nifty. And also if you see this net change, this all are indicating the call buyers are over there and put writers are over there. So this is simple indication that Bank Nifty going to be the bullish in next session. So this is all on Y and change in Y. And now we'll talk about the pivot level. This is going to be the pivot level 22,500, going to be the pivot level, and the range of the Bank Nifty is going to be 21,500 to 23,000, keeping the pivot level at 22,500. This is going to be the pivot level, and above this Bank Nifty will try to go towards 23,000 and then 23,500, and below this Nifty will try to go towards 22,000 then 21,500. This is the range of the Bank Nifty. Now we will also check out the trend cycle of it. Before that, we'll move towards Nifty and check out the closing price of Nifty. Here is the closing price of Nifty is around 10,800 on July 7th, and we are talking about 9 July expiry. Now the highest call, for finding highest call, we'll go through this column. Here we can see around 33 lakh contracts are open at 11,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest support, and followed by here we can see 11,800. Around 25 lakh contracts are open over here at 10,800. So these are the important level as far as resistance is concerned. Here we can also see around 20 lakh contracts at 10,900. And if we talk about the call addition, here we can see some call addition above 10,800, and at 10,800 we can see the huge unwinding over here in call side. So this is here we can see some call writers over here. This is call writers levels. Now we'll check out the support. For that purpose, we'll go through this column. Here we can see around 38 lakh contracts are either at 10,000 levels, and followed by here we can see 10,500, 33 lakh 46,000 contracts are open. So this is going to be the second highest support. This is highest support. And also if you see this one 10,600, this is going to be an important support as well. And also this one 10,700, this is going to be the very good support as well. And also here 12 lakh contracts are open, so this is also going to be the good support if Nifty cross it. Now if you see OI here in put side and call side, there is we can say the put writers have on driving seat. However, this can be a range bound to bullish Nifty, as we can see here call writers already. Here we can see call writers as well as here put writers. This is due to the range bound movement today that we have witnessed in Bank Nifty. That's why this is also indication of range bound, and the pivot level for Nifty is 10,800 strike, and the range of the Nifty looks 10,600 to 11,000. This is going to be the range, keeping the pivot at 10,800. So all depends on 10,800. Now we will check out the trend cycle and max span for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Here is the max span which has increased, and for Nifty it has constant, and PCR is around 1.07, and PCR Nifty it is very high. This means a reversal can be come around. This indicates reversal can be seen around. Now if we see the trend cycle, see here a lot of mix up in trend cycle in Bank Nifty today. Though today we have seen the long, in Nifty we have seen long cycle. So Nifty looks bullish and Bank Nifty looks mix up. So this is all about analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty. Hope you like. If you like the video, please share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.